Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a super handy LSPosed module that will completely change how you control your music. We're talking about the volume key track control module, and it lets you skip, go back, or pause tracks using just your volume buttons, even when your screen is off or your device is locked. No more fumbling with your phone to change songs. Let's get straight into how to install it on your rooted Android device. Before we start, you'll need a few things: a rooted Android phone, LSPosed framework already installed and active, the volume key track control LSPosed module APK. You can find the download link in the video description below. Alright, let's get this module installed. First, click on the download link in the description and download the volume key track control APK file to your phone. Once downloaded, locate the APK file in your file manager and tap on it to install. After installation, do not open the app yet. Instead, open your LSPosed Manager app. You should see Volume Key Track Control listed under the Modules section. Tap on it to enable the module. Once enabled, you'll see a notification at the top to restart your device for the changes to take effect. It's crucial to reboot your phone now. Now that your phone has rebooted, let's configure the module. Find the Volume Key Track Control app in your app drawer and open it. You'll see a simple interface here. Let's go through the key features. This is the main feature. When enabled, you can long press volume up or down to skip tracks. You can choose whether this works even when the screen is off or device is locked. This allows you to set a duration for how long you need to hold the volume key to trigger the action. You can adjust the delay to prevent accidental skips. And that's how you install and configure the Volume Key Track Control LSPosed module. This little tweak makes a huge difference in convenience, especially for us music lovers. No more pulling out your phone just to change a song. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you're using this module or have any other favorite LSPosed modules. All links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.